Okay, good afternoon folks, how are we all doing? A little bit different, once again, more of a product review. Now, I have a shed, I call it a workshop, which I built purely for working on the bikes. And at the moment I've got no electrics in there, so rather dull in the darker weather, wet weather, difficult to work. So I went looking for lights, rechargeable lamps basically, temporarily, so I don't want to wire up electrics yet, various reasons. Anyway, searched eBay, come across these. Dinky little thing with a sort of stand bracket, hang it up, jobby. Now, they're only cheap. I'll put a photo up of the actual listing for the eBay account, sale, thing, advert. Now, let's try that bit again. I'll put up a photo of the eBay listing, and if I can, don't hold me to it, I'll try and put a link at the bottom of the video, in the description bit below. Somewhere or other anyway. But yeah, they were something like £11 odd for the pair. One I've actually got sat over there to the right, beaming lights at me because it's always quite dull in this room when I'm filming, and that's on the low setting. Now prepare yourself, because I'm going to put up a couple of photos now of the actual lamp with the lights on. The first one is the bright setting, second one is the low setting. Watch your eyes because they are super duper bright. Yeah, there we go. So what you get these dinky little things. I'll put up another photo now. Give you an idea of the size compared to my keyboard. As I say, little adjustable handle at the back or stand, so you can stand them up. On-off switch at the back, where you can have a low, well, very bright light, not so bright light, and it flasher. It constantly flashes. I'm not going to put the flasher on. It drives me nuts. There is a rechargeable battery in there, which I presume is replaceable at some point. There's a Type C looking USB charge point here. They come with a charge lead. They also come with basically a car charger, cigarette lighter for want of a better phrase, fitting which you put batteries in. Don't know why you have to put batteries in it, but it comes with one of them, and you can plug it into your car to charge this, I presume. Not quite sure how it all works, didn't even bother looking at it. I just charge off the mains through the USB at the back. Don't know how long they'll last or how good the battery will be because I've literally just got them. But what an awesome little tool. Dirt cheap, no weight, really bright, ideal for working in your little workshop, or in my case setting up as a sorry about that, that's my phone going off, as a bit of background lighting for you, or you're filming for YouTube, etc. There you go, quick product review, job done. Anyways folks, I'm Oski. Don't forget, oh hang on, bear with me, where is it? I'm professional, am I? Yeah, I'll stick up another photo. Rattling round Wales, mine and Jonathan's charity event we're doing 27th, 28th of April. Check out the link above explaining what it's all about. Okay? Right, I'm Oski. Catch you all again. And of course, as always, please be safe, ride safe and have fun. Oh, doodles! Oh, it's Mrs. Grumps will be very happy.